Tribal Fund Lana Siznaba Amade Kanglu Furup Naiba Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen na Paiba Portfolio Singh Louthokpiu Haina Tongan Tongan Banaga Lut Singh na Prime Minister Amasung Union Home Minister Yauna Lenga Kiluching Basingda I Bacherul Thaduna Takshin Manipur Naga Youth Organization ki President DLL Naga Manipur Naga Youth Organization ki General Secretary Paudinlung Riaimei Foothills Naga Coordination Committee ki Convener Akhui Naumai Amadi Foothills Naga Coordination Committee ki Secretary B. Robina Thakhre Cherol Aduna Hai Manipur Tribal Affairs and Health Amadi Panchayati Raj and Rural Development ke portfolio so PDB Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen ke Mapuroiba Sanmintang Kipgen Atopaming Thangboi Ase Suda Leriba Kukin National Front ke President ne Tribal Fund Singh Ase Mahakna Mahaki Mapuroiba Thangboi ga Loinana Lana Sizna Duna Leide Masigi Mathakta Mahak Imphal da Laktuna Mathok Toba Ngamdabana Mahakna Pariba Portfolio Sing Ase Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchanda re-allocate to view Wafam Asimak Lengakta Thangat Kiba Laikrabani Adum Oinamak Ngasifauba Tabak Oina Pangtokdana Lady Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen Tribal Gifan Sing Lana Sizinare Chingi District Taragi Pitharakpa Work Program Sing Mahak Masagi AC Amasung Churachanpur District ki Kukitaba Mafam Sing Khaktamakta Paikhatuna Lady Nagana Namnataba Chandel Tengnopal Ukrul Kamjong Tamenglong None Amadi Sanapati District ki Oinade Fun Sing Thaduktana Lady Kanglu Furum Naiba Thong Ama Deputy Chief Minister Masamakna Chatharakliba Ase Laibak Thibane Maramaduna Atuba Matamda Matikchaba Action Lokatkani Haibagi Achoba Thazaba Thamli Hainasu Cherol Asina Makatari